actually amazing. They were able to get here like 3 months faster than expected. They showed up and they were like a surgical team coming in. They're just all business. They banged it out in one day. They covered everything and cleaned everything when they left. Everything is looking perfect and beautiful. Their work was astounding. They checked on us. I think the guy's name was Justin. He was the leader who basically sold us on Paradise, and he even came to the job site that day to talk to us and make sure everything was running smoothly. And really, it was pretty fast. They said they'd be here at 9. They were here at 9, and the guy was like, "I bet we'll be out of here around 5:30." They were out of here at 5:30. It was perfect all the way around. I couldn't recommend them enough. It changed the entire house, actually. It's not just that it's quieter, but it's also, you feel more secure. I'm still getting used to the thermostat because I always had it at 73, but it doesn't need to be that low. I've been freezing lately. But all around, it was the best decision we made. And they worked with us on the price and the financing. It was not as expensive as I thought it was going to be. So yeah, the quality, the warranty was a big deal with us. And they told us that it's transferable, so if we sell this house, the next owner gets the same warranty that we have. So it was super cool. It was great all the way around.